24th March 2025 marks the last date for the initial registration period in the case of H-1B visas for the 2026 fiscal year. This particular visa is applied by America's employers for employing foreign nationals possessing specialized knowledge in various fields and has been much in vogue, particularly for Indian IT specialists. In 2025, the biggest approvals in H-1B visas were of Amazon, which garnered 9,265 approved petitions, as per information released by the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, U.S. This was closely followed by Cognizant Technology Solutions, which received 6,321 approvals, followed by Google, which received 5,364 approvals. Meta secured a total of 4,844 approvals, while Microsoft and Apple received 4,725 and 3,873 approvals, respectively. Besides, other top firms included on the list are HCL America Incorporated with 2,953 approvals, IBM Corporation with 2,906 approvals, Walmart Associates with 2,904 approvals, Capgemini America with 2,795 approvals, and Intel Corporation with 2,520 approvals. Further, Deloitte secured 2,494 approvals, Tesla secured 1,767 approvals, Accenture secured 2,157 approvals, Amazon Web Services secured 2,216 approvals, Oracle secured 2,070 approvals, Ernst & Young US secured 2,335 approvals, while JP Morgan Chase secured 1,719 approvals, and Salesforce secured 1,525 approvals, while Cisco closed the list with 1,330 approvals. These organizations tend to resort to the process of H-1B visa in order to facilitate the hiring of skilled laborers needed to perform duties in the field of engineering, research, and the development of software. Out of Indian headquartered companies, Infosys took the lead by recording 8,140 H-1B visa approvals for 2024. It was followed by Tata Consultancy Services, TCS, with 5,274 approvals. Further, HCL America, Wipro, and Tech Mahindra also made the list with 2,953, 1,634, and 1,199 approvals, respectively. United States Citizenship and Immigration Services, or US, has not yet made any specific information available regarding the number of Indian nationals who succeeded in obtaining H-1B visas for the year 2024. That said, it is quite interesting to observe that Indian nationals made up a whopping 78% of all H-1B visas granted in the fiscal year which ended on 30th September 2023. In that year, a record total number of 265,777 visas were granted in total, and a whopping 72.3% of all those visas were granted to Indian nationals specifically in the period of time which elapsed between October 2022 and September 2023. Furthermore, the United States Congress has capped the number of H-1B visas granted in 1 year at 65,000 visas, and set aside an additional 20,000 visas for petitioners who have advanced degrees received from accredited American institutions. The H-1B visa is for employment involving theoretical knowledge and practical application of advanced knowledge in a range of fields. For the purpose of qualifying for the visa, applicants must have at least a bachelor's degree in a field that has relevance to the occupation for which they are making their application, or have equivalent qualifications. Typical jobs that would be within the purview of H-1B visas include software engineers, computer scientists, systems analysts, mechanical engineers, electrical engineers, civil engineers, aerospace engineers, physicians, dentists, psychologists, nurses, professors and lecturers in universities, accountants, financial analysts, management consultants, market research analysts, marketing experts, legal counselors, lawyers, and journalists, editors, public relations specialists, and technical writers. If you enjoyed the video and found it to be informative, we would be really grateful if you would kindly give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and take a little time out to comment your thoughts and opinions below in the comments section. We thank you for taking the time out to listen, and we wish our best regards to everyone's safety and peace.